Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. This video today we're going to be talking about some recent developments with respect to firearm laws here in the Kingdom of Thailand. A recent article in the Nation newspaper, it was entitled Stricter Controls Over Firearms, Fireworks and Explosives. The author is Prapasri Osatanon. Sorry if I sometimes have to sound out the names. Basically, to quote directly, the National Legislative Assembly on Thursday passed the third reading of amendments to the 1947 Weapon, Firearm, Explosives, and Firework Act. The amendments were proposed to keep the legislation abreast of weapons technology and the changing conditions in society. This is notable. Weapon silencers and electric darts will also come under the legislation. The amendment also specifies that only Thais can register a gun with authorities. Previously, nationality was not an issue, and foreigners residing in Thailand could apply. This was passed by the National Legislative Assembly. I think that this is one of the many laws that has been being updated recently, these past few months and frankly years at this point. So as noted in that excerpt, where it was possible in the past for foreign nationals, generally speaking, it's my understanding that mostly they wanted to see foreign nationals who had permanent residence in the kingdom, but I guess it was theoretically possible for non-immigrant visa holders to do so as well, could register firearms. Again, firearms are registered lawfully, basically at the discretion of relevant authorities, but that being said, the option was open to foreign nationals previously. It remains to be seen whether or not those foreign nationals who registered firearms previously will be quote-unquote grandfathered in, notwithstanding this legislation, whether or not the licenses previously issued will still be valid or will still be renewable. That remains to be seen. That being said, moving forward, it seems pretty clear that firearms registrations by foreign nationals in the kingdom is simply not going to be a possibility anymore. That being stated, again, how this plays out with respect to foreign nationals who previously had licenses remains to be seen. I would urge those who are interested in this topic to research it further, most notably by going to the Nation website and going directly to the article. Begin your research there. There are other specifics in the Act with respect to things like fireworks and explosives, which in commercial context, the explosives aspect could be rather significant, as foreign-owned companies and things might be restricted from obtaining certain types of licenses with respect to explosives material in the future. And I can think of certain industrial uses for certain kinds of explosives where that could be an issue. But that being said, it remains to be seen exactly how this is going to be implemented. And as noted, it remains to be seen whether or not certain legalities which existed in the past will carry forward under a sort of grandfathered regime in multiple different forms under this legislation. It's just too soon to tell. If there's further updates with respect to this issue, we'll be updating you via this channel.